everybody, welcome to jurycentral.com online classes for law exam. So today I will be discussing with you the solved question paper of Jamia Millia Islamia LLM entrance examination of the year 2019. बहुत लोगों ने आप में से बहुत लोगों ने मुझसे रिक्वेस्ट की थी कि आप 2019 का क्वेश्चन पेपर शेयर कीजिए, तो आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ। तो बने रहिए आप इस वीडियो में और इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखिए। वॉच दिस सेशन टिल द एंड, स्टे ट्यून्ड। तो जी हाँ दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ द सॉल्व्ड पेपर ऑफ जामिया मिलिया इस्लामिया LLM entrance examination of the year 2019. So I have already discussed with you the solved paper of 2020, 18, 17 and 16. बस 2019 ही रह गया था जो फाइनली हमें मिल गया है। सो आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू दैट पर्सन जिसने मुझे ये प्रोवाइड कराया है। तो अब देखते हैं कि किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आए थे इस साल में। और एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट बात, आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग विथ यू ओनली द ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस, बिकॉज 2018 के बाद जो सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन पेपर जो है वो अलग से आता है और उसे अपने साथ आफ्टर द एग्जामिनेशन किसी भी कैंडिडेट को अपने साथ बाहर ले जाना मना है। सो दिस इज द रीजन वाई द क्वेश्चन पेपर ऑफ सब्जेक्टिव इज नॉट अवेलेबल एनीवेयर। तो अब मैं आपके साथ ऑब्जेक्टिव सेट के क्वेश्चंस आपसे डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ। दे आर टोटल नंबर ऑफ 140 क्वेश्चंस। तो देखते हैं क्वेश्चंस क्या क्या है। सबसे पहले तो मैं आपके साथ पार्ट ए डिस्कस करूंगी और पार्ट ए में आपके क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे वो 20, जिसमें से 10 रहेंगे आपके इंग्लिश के एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द 10 विल बी फ्रॉम जीके और करंट अफेयर। सो लेट अस सी। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, choose the one from the following which is similar in meaning to the word bashful. This is option number C, shy. Second, select the best way of expressing the idea. Except for you and I, everyone brought a present for the little birthday girl. So this is option number B. With the exception of you and I, everyone brought a present for the little birthday girl. Third, a conviction happens when option number D, the jury turns a guilty verdict. Then question number 4, choose the word or phrase from the alternative that best conveys the meaning of the idiomatic expression playing the devil's advocate, that means putting forth counter arguments, option number C. Fifth, select the best one that could make most sense. The judge gave the jury instructions in a manner because their comprehension was critical to the case. This is option number A, deliberate. Question number 6, transform the given sentence into negative. Human is mortal, so the negative sentence will be human is not immortal. तो एक और बात मैं बता दूं, जितने भी आंसर्स मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, आई डू नॉट हैव द आंसर की। ये सारे मेरे सॉल्व्ड क्वेश्चंस हैं। तो उम्मीद है आप लोगों को बहुत पसंद आएगी और इस मेहनत के लिए जल्दी से एक लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर दे दें इस चैनल को, और साथ ही साथ इस वीडियो को मैक्सिमम लोगों के अमाउंट शेयर करें ताकि सबको इसके बारे में पता चल सके। आउट ऑफ द 4 alternatives suggested, select the one which best expresses the same sentence, who can count the stars in the sky. So I have to change this sentence into a passive or active voice. So in passive voice it will be, by whom can the stars in the sky be counted. Question number 8, a preemptory challenge allows an attorney to dismiss a potential juror that is without cause or giving reason. 9, select the word that most closely has the opposite meaning of the words impede. The opposite is facilitate, option number B. 10, select the best one that could make most sense. The defense attorney didn't consider his witness reluctance to testify as a dash to his defense. His attorney had other witnesses who saw that happen. This is advantage, option number D. Then 11, out of the following alternative, suggest the one that best expresses the sentence. Please don't go away, she said. It will be best expressed as, she begged me not to go away. 12, correct, select the correctly spelled one. This option number C, this surveillance, SURVEILLANCE. 13, legal assistance which is free of charge is option number C, pro bono. 14, select the word that most closely expresses the same meaning as the word labyrinth. This is option number C, maze. 15. The instructions that a judge gives to the jury before the jury begins deliberations is known as the, this is option number C, judge's charge. 16. For the expression bill stopping the project was a big disappointment, choose the right kind of clauses from the following. So this sentence is an example of non-finite gerund clause. 17. Which is the longest pause? It's known as option number D, full stop. 18. Because of his tennis elbow injury, Pete Sampras hasn't and possibly never will be able to pick up the bat again. This is option number D. Because of his tennis elbow injury, Pete Sampras hasn't been able to and possibly will never be able to pick up the bat again. Question number 19. A retainer is an agreement between a client and an attorney. 20. Which of the following is not correct? This option number C, the wages of sin are dead, because wages is a collectively noun, and instead of are it shall be is. So this is the reason why option number C is wrong. Then question number 21. So now on we will be dealing with the questions relating to the GK current affairs. Who gave the call for Evergreen Revolution? This is option number A, M.S. Swaminathan. 22. The World Environmental Day falls on this option number B, June 5. So let me correct myself. Initially I said that you will be having only 20 questions for GK and English, but no, you will be having 40 questions for GK and English, both divided into equal parts. Then 23, the demand officially made by the Congress for a Constituent Assembly to frame the Constitution of India was accepted in principle by the British government in what is known as option number D, August offer of 1940. 24. One of the winners of Bharat Ratna Award, who is also known as a Sudha Kanta, was bestowed within the year. This option number A, 2019. Bhupen Hazarika, the noted singer, was also known as Sudha Kanta. 25. Saving one human being is as if you have saved the whole humanity. Killing one is as if you have killed the whole humanity. Is expressed in which one of the following religious books? Is option number A, Holy Quran. 26. Who was Sabyasachi Bhattacharya, who died recently? He was historian. 27. Permanent Secretariat to coordinate the implementation of SAR program is located at option number D, Kathmandu. 28. Pulwama terror attack on Indian jawans that shook the whole nation, Mother India, occurred on this option number B, 14th February 2019. 29. Blueness of the sky is mainly due to the scattering of sunlight by air molecules. 30. On which topic was the Raisina dialogue organized in New Delhi on January 9, 2019? This is option number D, foreign policy challenges. 31. Speaker of the Lok Sabha can ask a member of the House to stop speaking and let another member speak. This phenomenon is known as option number B, yielding the floor. 32. First time a top officer of the CBI and a legal advisor were convicted for contempt of a court by a bench comprising this option number D, Justices Ranjan Gogoi, Nageshwara Rao, Sanjeev Khanna. 33. Who declared that his ultimate aim is to wipe every tear from every eye? This option number C, Jawaharlal Nehru. 34. Which of the following became the first woman flight engineer in IAF? This is option number B, Hina Jaiswal. 35. When is the International Yoga Day celebrated? This is option number B, March 20. This is actually June 21, not March 21. By mistake, I have selected option number B. It shall be option number A, June 21. 36. In which two states of India defense industrial corridors are being built? This is option number C, Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh. 37. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority is the option number A, statutory body. 38. Which movie wins the Best Drama Motion Picture Award in the 75th Golden Globe Awards? This is option number D, 3 Billboards Outside Ebbing, Missouri. 39. Election Commission of India has decided that the voter's identification shall be mandatory in the elections at the time of poll. Which of the following shall be the main document of identification of a voter? This option number B, electoral photo identity cards, also known as in short EPIC. 40. Which state published the first draft of the National Register of Citizens? This is option number B, Assam. Then we will be dealing with part B, which will be having 100 legal questions. So let us see. So sorry about the printing. because I'm not the person who has scanned the question paper. Somebody else has scanned this question paper and sent it to me. 41. The interpretation of the Constitution of India is based on the spirit of option number C, preamble. The word procedure established by law in the Constitution of India have been borrowed from. So actually it has been borrowed from, let me tell you, it has been borrowed from Japan, and it is not given in the option UK, USA, French and Germany, but actually procedure established by law has been taken from the Constitution of Japan. So this is the reason why this question is wrong. 43. The speaker used the casting vote, option number B, to challenge the opposition. 44. The fundamental duties in the Constitution of India were adopted from option number B, Russian Constitution. In India, the power of amnesty has been given to the option number A, President. 46. Which article is referred to as a jewel of the Constitution? This is option number C, Article 32. 47. Rights given in the Constitution are called fundamental right because option number D, they can be enforced and safeguarded by the courts. 48. The directive principles of state policy have been adopted from option number B, Irish Constitution. 49. One feature distinguishing the Rajya Sabha from the Vidhan Parishad is option number B, indirect election. Then 50. Who acts as the President of India when neither the President nor the Vice President is available? This is option number B, Chief Justice of India. 51. The only instance when the President of India exercises his power of veto related to this is only during the time of giving assent to this bill, Indian Post Office Amendment Bill. 52. In a federal system, the guardian of the Constitution is option number B, the judiciary. 53. The Constitution of India is parliamentary because option number D, the executive is responsible to the legislature. 54. In India, right to property is option number B, legal right. 55. The President of India is elected by elected members of both houses of parliament and state legislative assemblies. 56. Which writ gives a meaning we command in letters? This is option number D, mandamus. 57. Concurrent list was adopted from this. Again, this question is wrong because the correct option is Australia. Concurrent list has been adopted from Australia. Then 58. Keshwananda Bharti case was associated with option number A, fundamental rights. 59. Which one of the following doesn't constitute the electoral college for electing the President of India? This is option number C, elected members of the Legislative Council. 60. Which right was remarked by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? This is option number D, right to constitutional remedies. 61. Which of the factors below contributed significantly to the revival of natural law in the 20th century? This is option number B, the rise of fascism. Then 62. Stare decisis means a previous judgment shall be option number C, upheld. 63. The fair and equal distribution of right and obligation is known as justice. This is option number A. Then 64. Why is Bentham's account of sovereignty generally considered to be more sophisticated and more acceptable than Austin's? Because option number C, because Bentham recognizes the possibility of limiting the sovereign's power. 65. Legal realism is the theory of law according to which law is the option number C, practice of court. 66. Normative legal theory is most accurately summarized by which of the following statements? This is option number B. It is represented by the positive law as developed by H.L.A. Hart. 67. On whose view law is the decyclized commands of the sovereign? It has been said by option number B, Kelson. 68. Which statement best describes the nature and function of Kelson's grand norm? This is option number C, the constitution of a state. Question number 69. Which of the following states that all the actions of the human being are controlled by pleasure and pain? This is known as option number A, hedonism. 70. Lex externis is the ordinance of option number A, divine wisdom of universal governance. 71. The case of Bachan Singh versus State of Punjab is concerned with option number A, capital punishment in India. 72. Which of the following sections have been inserted in the Indian Penal Code 1860 by the Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013, namely? So all of these sections have been added by Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013, namely section 376A, 376B, 166A, 166B and 354C. 73. In which of the following cases the Privy Council made a distinction between common intention and similar intention? This is option number B, Mehboob Shah versus King Emperor. 74. In which of the following cases did the Supreme Court lay down the guidelines for premature release of life convict? This is Lakshman Naskar versus Union of India. 75. Common intention means option number B, same intention. 76. One of the remedies for the false imprisonment is option number A, habeas corpus. 77. Which is not an ingredient in mens rea? This is option number D. All of the above are correct. Strict or absolute liability, public nuisance, and ignorance of law is no excuse. So all of these following are not the ingredient of mens rea. Then 78. In which of the following case a search warrant can be issued? This is option number D. All of them. Where the court has a reason to believe that the person summoned to produce a document or thing will not produce it. B. Where the document or thing is not known to be in the possession of any person. C. Where a general inspection or search is necessary. 79. The maxim ignorantia juris non excusat means option number A, ignorance of law is no excuse. Then 80. How many types of punishment have been prescribed under the IPC? This is option number C. There are 5 kinds of punishments prescribed under IPC. 81. A gift under Muslim law may be revoked. Option number A, before delivery of possession. 82. The Muslim Personal Law Shariat Application Act 1937 contains all in all following number of sections. This is option number C, section 6, all in all. Then 83. The Hindu Marriage Act 1955 came into force on option number D, 18th May 1955. 84. When a Muslim male and a Muslim female contract their marriage under the Special Marriage Act 1954, Muslim personal law, it doesn't apply. Option number B. 85. Different schools of Islamic law denote option number A, sects. 86. The essential condition of a gift under Muslim law is all of the above: declaration of the gift by the donor, acceptance of the gift by the donor, and delivery of possession of subject matter of the gift. 87. Under Muslim law, a woman's acknowledgement of paternity once made, option number A, can be revoked. 88. Divorce by mutual consent has been provided by Hindu Marriage Amendment Act 1976. 89. Under Hindu Succession Act 1956, any property possessed by a female Hindu, whether acquired by her before or after the commencement of this act, shall be held as option number C, full owner. 90. Shia Muslim man is entitled to perform a muta marriage with option number D, any of the above. 91. Exclusive rights conferred upon the patentee under the Patents Act 1970, a respect patented product act. So this is actually option number A, 4. 92. A work is a creation in intellectual sense which is generally by nature all of the above: abstract, materially visible, and industrial non-application. 93. An exception to the doctrine of constructive notice is option number B, the doctrine of indoor management. 94. Novelty of intellectual property creation invention is a sine qua non requirement for copyright protection as well as in patent protection. 95. A partnership entity is regarded as option number C, both legal and accountable entity. 96. A mortgage of company's asset requires registration under Companies Act 2013. 97. The fundamental principle of a non-proprietary instant contract is a principle of Uberima Fiat's indemnification. C, subrogation. D, all of the above. 98. In case of ultra-virus borrowings, lender has the following remedies. These are all of the above: restitution, subrogation, and injunction. 99. Memorandum of association of a company is said. Option number A, to defining the scope of the company's activities. B, to defining the company's relation with outside world. C, to be the charter of the company. 100. The share capital of a company may be reduced by option number B, a special resolution. 101. Supreme Court observation in Bhagwan Das Govardhan Das Keria case that through the law was framed at a time when the telephones, wireless, telestar, and early bird were not contemplated. The language of section 4 of the Contract Act 1872 is flexible enough to cover the communication made by them. Was made by Justice option number A, Shah J.C. 102. Which of the following is correct? All of the above. A contract is an agreement enforceable by law. A contract is a promise enforceable by law. A contract is an accepted offer enforceable by law. Then 103, which of the following relations is not an agency in legal sense? This is option number A, relation of a servant to service master. 104, which of the following is not essential for a contract? This is option number B, reasonable terms and conditions. 105, a pledge is the delivery of goods from one person to another. This is option number B, as a security for some debt or engagement. 106, which of the following statement is correct? This all of the above mentioned. Any act that precedes the acceptance may be an offer. B, any act that precedes the acceptance may be a counter offer. C, all that precedes the offer or counter offer is an invitation to offer. 107, in fact, the above principles of section 73 of the Contract Act 1872 as to the extent of damage and hence of recoverable damages are said to be well founded upon the well-known case of option number A, Hadley versus Baxendale. 108, it is not a wagering contract. What? Option number C, if risk is existing in the subject matter of agreement and not being created by the agreement. 109, a quasi-contract is so called because all of the above. There is only agreement and no obligation. B, the obligation is created by law and not by the parties. C, the obligation is created by person, not party to the agreement in question. 110, principle of indemnity applies to option number B and C only to proprietary insurance contract and C only to non-proprietary insurance contract. 111, which of the following decided cases is on the tort of foreseeability? These all of the above. Wagon Mound number 1, Wagon Mound number 2, Hughes versus Lord Advocate. Then 112, two persons are said to be joint tortfeasors when option number C, a tort is committed by two or more persons or any one of them when they are engaged in furtherance of a concerted purpose. 113, contract law is different from tort law in the sense that option number D, it generally concerns a relationship between two parties only. 114, which one of the following is the gist of the cause of action for tort of conspiracy? This is option number C, an agreement, an overt act causing damage to the plaintiff. 115, which of the following is not a defense to trespass to the person? This is option number A, lawful authority. 116, which types of damage from the following list would not be recoverable in a claim under tort? This is option number D, economic loss. 117, which of the following remedies is not available in an action in the tort of nuisance? Is option number C, specific restitution. 118, which of the following statement is the most accurate? Option number A, some torts are based on a requirement to prove fault. 119, how many days of notice has to be given to the workman by the employer in case of any changes to be made in the service conditions specified in the 4th schedule? This is option number C, 21 days. 120, which of the following has been set up under the provisions of Industrial Dispute Act 1947 for adjudication of industrial disputes in an organization? This is option number D, all of the above. Lok Adalat, Industrial Tribunal. C, Labour Court. 121, the earliest Indian statute to regulate the relationship between employer and his workmen was known as option number A, Trade Dispute Act. 122, before the Industrial Disputes Act was implemented in the year 1947, which act took care of the industrial disputes? This is option number A, Trade Disputes Act 1929. 123, industrial means manually with or without other artifices, manually with other artifices. This is option number C, both A and B. 124, the body by whatever name called to which the management of the affairs of a trade union is entrusted under the Trade Union Act 1926 means option number A, they are known as executive. 125, which one of the following is not a welfare provision under Factories Act 1948? This is option number D, drinking water. 126, Contract Labour Regulation and Abolition Act 1970 applies to every establishment contractor in which 20 or more workmen are employed or were employed on any day of the preceding 12 months as contract labor. 127, under the Convention of the Law of the Sea, the breadth of the territorial seas, option number C, 12 nautical miles. 128, a contraband means option number C, all smuggled material. 129, the father of international law is considered to be option number C, Hugo Grotius. 130, which of the following is correct one? Option number B, a state can wage war only in self-defense. 131, the principle of just cogence means option number A, preemptory norm of international law. 132, when was the UN Charter of Human Rights adopted? This is option number B, December 10, 1948. 133, extradition is normally granted, option number A, in all cases. 134. Which of the following justices of the Supreme Court calls for review of need for death penalty in the cases of Channu Lal Verma versus State of Chhattisgarh? This option number is Justice Kurian Joseph. 135. Which of the following is cut all of the above? Kyoto Protocol was adopted in Kyoto on 11 December 1997. B. Kyoto Protocol commits associated parties by setting internationally binding emission reduction targets. C. Kyoto Protocol first commitment period ended in 2012. The second commitment period will end in 2020. 136. The Forest Conservation Act was enacted in the year option number C 1980. Question number 137. Retrenched workers can't claim preference over regularized employee for re-employment under Section 25H of Industrial Dispute Act was observed in management of the Barada Cooperative Marketing and Processing Society Limited versus Workman Pratap Singh 2019 by a bench of option number D, Supreme Court of India. 138. The Supreme Court observation that Section 330 CRPC can well be considered as a constitutional right under Article 21. Invocation of last will theory sans facts and evidence doesn't shift onus on the accused was made in option number B in the case of Reena Hazarika versus State of Assam 2018 case. 139. Supreme Court urged the Centre to amend Section 18DD of IT Act to give benefit to disabled persons even during the lifetime of a guardian. In which of the following case is option number A, Ravi Agarwal versus Union of India. And the last question is which of the following articles of Constitution provides for the protection of environment? Is option number D, both A and C. There is Article 48A and Article 51AG. तो ये रहा आप लोग के टोटल 140 क्वेश्चंस। अब आप लोगों के लिए हमारे तरफ से एक धमाकेदार ऑफर है। आप चाहो तो 5 इयर्स का सॉल्व क्वेश्चन पेपर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 2020 टिल 2016 अलॉन्ग विद सब्जेक्टिव सॉल्व पेपर यू विल गेट ओनली एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ ₹500। तो अगर आप 500 रुपये पे करते हो तो आपको 5 साल का सॉल्व क्वेश्चन पेपर मिलेगा और वो भी सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस के साथ। और अगर आप 700 पे करते हो तो आपको 5 इयर्स का क्वेश्चन पेपर भी मिलेगा और साथ में आपके सिलेबस के अनुसार जो सब्जेक्ट्स दिए गए हैं उसके आपको MCQs भी मिलेंगे फॉर प्रैक्टिसिंग बिफोर गोइंग टू द एग्जाम। तो आपके पास 2 ऑफर है, आप दोनों में से कोई एक भी ले सकते हैं। इनमें ऑलरेडी डिस्काउंटेड, ये प्राइस ऑलरेडी डिस्काउंटेड है। तो आप प्लीज मैसेज करके ये मत कहिएगा कि डिस्काउंट देने के लिए, बिकॉज आवर प्राइसेस आर फिक्स्ड एंड वी आर कोटिंग दिस प्राइस आफ्टर गिविंग द डिस्काउंट। तो ये रहा हमारा आज का सेशन। उम्मीद है आप लोगों को पसंद आएगी। वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलिए। लेट्स मेक इट टू 1000। थैंक यू।